Well, hello all. For a long time I've had this dream of having a kite that is kept in the air by a computer that controls a motor that winds the kite in or out, depending on if the kite gets too low, it winds it in, or if the wind drops, it winds it in. So today I'm just doing the first step of this, which is to build a kite. I'm going to build a diamond kite like that. It's got two sticks and it's got a tail, and I don't think, from looking at videos, the width doesn't seem to matter. It's just a little bit narrower than the length. Doesn't seem to matter where you put it, up or down. Maybe it does. If you're a kite expert, let us know. Anyway, so I went on my motorbike to go and fetch some. It's a reed, so the sticks are reasonably weak. But let's show you how we're going to make this diamond kite out of a reed. Here's a reed. It seems to be straight from this node onwards. So I think what I'm going to do is just saw it off there. We want it as straight as possible. So now I have this and I need to get a cross piece and a long piece. I think we're going to make our long piece about that long, and our cross piece the remainder. So there is our, and I'm going to saw this off here because I think the reed is strongest at the nodes. So now I just have to find the middle of this, and then it's going to go on here and form our kite. Next, I'm going to cut notches for string. Now let's measure the length of this. 29 in the middle. Right, so let's lash these two reeds together, and then put some glue onto it. So the next thing is to put string into these notches. I might just widen this notch. So all we need is some string to go into that notch like that. Into this notch, into this notch, to this notch, and back to this notch. So there's our pieces of string, and then I'm going to glue the string in place. Next, I'm going to take a recycling bag So let's cut that out. So let's get pieces of sellotape. I'm going to stick it to the tripod. So kites generally require a tail, and so I'm going to take this long piece of, it's an old piece of sheet, and I'm going to sellotape it on to the end. For the kite string, I'm going to do the following. I'm going to have the string and just sellotape it onto here. Now this is the top of the kite. So I'm just going to sellotape it the string onto the top of the kite like this. I presume this is going to go and tie something like this in the middle. I wonder if I should tie it now. Why not just put a little knot here? I'm not sure where it's supposed to be exactly. And then sellotape that.